In this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. First, open the new Microsoft Outlook and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Click New Mail to start composing a new email. In the Compose window, click the Attach button or the paperclip icon. Choose whether you want to attach a file from this device, OneDrive, or another connected cloud storage location. Browse to the file you want to attach, select it and click Open. The file will be added to your email automatically. If you're attaching a file from OneDrive, Outlook may ask whether you want to send it as a shareable link or as a copy. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Once the attachment appears in your email, review your message and click Send. That's how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.